Hello students, in this video we will discuss about concept of green GDP. GDP is gross domestic product, which is national income of a country. What do we mean by green GDP? Activities of growth when are taking up in economy, these activities will have adverse effect on environment. When we try to measure effect of these activities, our overall growth activities, industrialization process is taking up, that may result into traffic jam, pollution, है ना? तो ये कुछ एनवायरमेंट पे हम एडवर्स इफेक्ट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं with process of growth unintentionally. When we consider this into consideration, we call it as green GDP. So green GDP, to be simple, is index of economic growth that measures environmental effects on growth of conventional GDP. Conventional matlab the traditional GDP which we talk about. Environmental effects means if there is any damage which is happening to environment in terms of loss of biodiversity, flora, fauna, we are losing them forever, climate is changing, ozone layer is depleting. So what is the cost of climate change and pollution, which is affecting health of people adversely? Correct. So loss which is happening because of this, when you take into consideration and we measure that in monetary terms, okay, so that is green GDP. This concept was given by Tobin and Nordas. China has estimated its green GDP in 2004. India has set framework and we have published our first report in 2013. Why there is a need to calculate green GDP? Because conventional GDP will not evaluate wealth and assets of nation. In conventional GDP, you do not take that into consideration. What is natural wealth, which is inherited, what are assets of a country, that we don't calculate when we calculate GDP. Wealth and assets are also used up in the process. We are developing, so in the process of development, whether we are ensuring sustainability or not, this is to be considered, and it is very important to be sustainable. So when you consider green GDP, sustainability is ensured. This is not ensured in conventional GDP. Again, we are not considering natural capital as our economic asset. We are not adequately considering this. Green GDP, when you measure, we talk of sustainability, means we will be liable towards future generation. Well-being of people and sustainable development is taken care of when you are talking about or are calculating green GDP. How to calculate? First, we need to calculate total stock and flow of natural resources. So, ecosystem में जो overall अपने पास resources हैं, natural resources हैं, so we have to consider that. For a particular region, we have to calculate. Then we also have to calculate how much of the resources we have used up in the process. So production, we know, is an activity where we will be using our natural capital. Correct. So how much of natural capital we have used, we have utilized. In physical terms, we have to calculate, then we have to assign money value to that, so that we'll be able to understand what is a changes in the stock. We'll be able to understand the original stock and usage once we know. Correct. So green GDP is GDP, that is a conventional GDP, minus cost of net natural capital consumption. So what is the change in the stock? Okay, we know this is where we have to calculate pollution या फिर बायोडाइवर्सिटी का लॉस होगा, ये सबको यहाँ कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा कॉस्ट के कैलकुलेशन में. तो दिस विल हेल्प अस इन कैलकुलेटिंग ग्रीन जीडीपी. ग्रीन जीडीपी ये recently developed concept है, which is better concept because it is more near to sustainable development than the traditional GDP. Thank you, children, for your kind listening. We have completed green GDP concept in this video. Please watch my next video for the next concept.